Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying parts and positioning the base where you'll work. Do this because alignment now saves rework later. Place the base panel flat, insert dowels into pre-drilled holes, and loosely fit edge clips so panels can shift slightly. Once done, hold a side panel upright, slip its tongue into the base slot, and drive 2 short screws just enough to retain position. Don't tighten fully because slight adjustments are needed during squaring and rail attachment. Now you build the frame. Connect the back and top rails using cams or bolts. This gives rigidity and references for doors. Use a level and measure diagonals to confirm squareness. If diagonals differ, shift a panel slightly then recheck because accurate fit prevents binding. Once the frame is square, install hinge plates and drawer slides loosely so you can fine-tune positions with doors or drawers in place. Tighten fasteners incrementally to maintain alignment and preserve panel integrity. Finish by mounting doors and drawers, adjusting hinge screws to set even reveal gaps. Vertical and horizontal micro-adjustments correct 1-3 mm misalignments. Tighten all screws progressively so stress distributes across panels. Install anti-tip brackets for safety and soft-close dampers for quieter operation. If something binds or the unit isn't square, loosen adjacent fasteners, realign the affected section, and replace any stripped screws or swollen dowels. This troubleshooting step resolves most fit issues and ensures a durable, level kitchen unit.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.